Next, what ever taught in class practice two times. More than one to 125. Here what ever taught in class practice two times. Saturday 125 to 150. Based on dimension from 76 to 150 plus theory of Monday, Wednesday, Friday. This is your test. Can I clear this?
Yes, sir.
Second chapter. As per textbook, it is mathematical tools. You write below that scalars and vectors. Written heading.
Yes, sir.
These are the vectors. If I say study 10 page and be ready tomorrow, and I didn't told what, तो कोई भी कुछ भी पढ़ के रखेगा 10 पेज, बराबर ना?
Yes.
तो आपको
Yes.
बोला कि ऐसा ऐसा क्यों पढ़ा? बोला सर आपने किधर बोला क्या पढ़ने का, हम लोग ने 10 पेज कुछ भी पढ़ा. You are interested in magnitude, not in direction. So those quantities where only magnitude is required, they are called scalars. Okay? Hello?
Yes.
If I say
Yes, sir.
run 10 kilometer, but I didn't told from where to where run. You only circle 1 kilometer, 2 kilometer, 3 kilometer in a ground and complete 10 kilometer. दूसरा स्टूडेंट को बोला नहीं, स्टार्ट फ्रॉम मुलुंड, गो टुवर्ड्स घाटकोपर 10 किलोमीटर. तो हु वाज सेविंग डायरेक्शन? मुलुंड टू घाटकोपर वाला क्या जिसको मैंने बोला खाली 10 किलोमीटर?
तो घाटकोपर.
So can I say like this? Those physical quantities which can be completely described by magnitude alone are called as scalars.
Yes.
Like when I say, what is time now? Will you say, sir, first floor पे जाके बोलूं क्या ground floor पे क्या lift में? Time is time ना, direction is required.
It doesn't require any place.
But if I say, show me the temperature, then will you say, sir, किचन का टेम्परेचर बताओ क्या रूम का टेम्परेचर बताओ? Here also direction is not required.
Yes.
So it is which quantity, scalar or vector? Scalar. So those physical quantities which can be completely described by magnitude alone are called as scalar. Those physical quantities which can be completely described by magnitude alone are called as scalars. Can you give example of few scalars?
Sound.
Pardon?
Speeds.
Speed.
Yes.
Okay. What about distance?
Sir, I said sound.
What you said? Sound.
Yes, sir.
Sound is in some direction. Sound is
No.
not physical quantity.
More.
Sound is not a physical quantity. Yeah, it is. Its intensity is measured in physical quantity. So we are talking about physical quantity. Speed,
Time also.
distance, time, length, current. Is the force scalar or vector? Force
Vector quantity.
Vector.
is
Vector.
a vector quantity because some direction is involved. Okay, just copy scalar. Written? Speed, distance, time, length, current.
Yes, sir. Done.
Have you seen dartboard?
Yes, sir.
Here we have to hit in any direction or particular direction.
In a
Particular direction so that it can hit the target. That means direction is required here. So you are applying force in particular direction. So that means you are giving vector quantity. So I can say those physical quantity which can be completely described by magnitude, can be completely described by magnitude as well as direction are called as vector. Example, displacement is a vector, velocity is a vector, force is a vector, area is a vector. Write this for example and definition of vector. As such, in 11th, nobody will ask you definition of scalars vector, but distinguish between scalars and vectors will be asked. That I am doing next part. This is one of the most important chapter we are doing scalars vector because it will be useful in at least 10-12 chapters. Concept of it.
Done, sir.
Distinguish between scalars and vectors. Make two columns. Write scalars, vectors. First point on both sides will write definition. This can come in 11th standard exam. Those physical quantities which can be completely described by magnitude alone are called as scalar. Those physical quantities which can be completely described by magnitude as well as direction are called as vectors. Done?
Yes.
Hello, can I clear this first point?
Yes, sir. You can see it.
Now, can you tell me what is 2 plus 3?
5,
Correct. And what is 5 minus 1?
4,
4. What is 2 into 4?
8.
8.
So that means you are just doing algebraic method. Huh?
Yes, sir.
So here you didn't ask direction. You 2 plus 3, you told 4. 5 minus 1, 5. Minus 1, 4. So we added, we subtracted algebraic method. If this is 3 on the left side, on the right side, and 4 on the upward side, so net from A to C, you not add 3 and 4. You just add, take this now, it will become 5. Okay? By Pythagoras here. Hello?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
In this from start to end to get the answer, did you added algebraically like 3 to 4 or you added geometrically?
Geometry.
You followed some geometry. Triangle
Yes.
बन गया फिर बता है ना? So
Yes.
scalars can be added, subtracted algebraically. So second point, they can be added or subtracted algebraically. And for vectors, right, they can be added or subtracted geometrically. They can be added or subtracted geometrically. Once you do, please keep on telling.
Yes, sir.
Done.
Representation of a representation means looking at that presentation, you should understand it is vector. If I write A, is it vector?
We need an arrow above.
So there is arrow above. Okay. A vector can be represented by two methods. A vector can be represented by two methods. First method is called as analytical method. Means no diagram. It is called analytical method. In this method, a vector is represented by English alphabet, either capital or small, with arrow at its top, such as A bar, E bar, M bar, P bar, etc. Either capital or small with arrow at its top. Its magnitude is represented either by only alphabet or vector written in modulus. That is, A bar you can write like this. This means magnitude of A or only. So where vector is written with the sign is called modulus or only alphabet, that indicates its magnitude. Any doubt in this representation?
Sir.
Yes, any doubt in this method?
No, sir.
Just remember, capital letter, small letter with arrow is called vector. So somebody says A bar is 3, means what? A vector of magnitude 3. Magnitude will write. Okay? Hello?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Sir, you said
And
so you said like alphabet should be like capital only. The D here should be capital or like small only.
When you read carefully, what is written? What is written? Read.
Oh yeah.
Either capital or small.
Okay, sir.
Did you complete it? The last line. Its magnitude
Sir, I
is
have completed.
represented either by only alphabet or vector written in modulus sign, that is a bar in modulus or only. You have completed, Pratham? Atharva?
Yes, sir.
Shall I clear it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Second is graphical method. Graphical means diagrammatic method. What is this called as in geometry? If I put like this, what does it mean?
Sir,
It is called point, huh? And this is called what?
Segment.
This is called as ray. And this is called as line. This is called as plane. So this all you know?
Yes, sir.
Have you seen globe? You all have seen globe?
Yes, sir.
In that, how far is India and America?
opposite ends.
We can find by finger, no, this much some distance. But is it so short? There is some scale written, no? So if I say
Yes, sir.
1 centimeter is 5,000 kilometers, what does it mean? In my diagram, 1 centimeter is equal to how much?
5,000
5,000
kilometers.
If I take 2 centimeters, then
So it will be multiplied by 5,000. That is 10,000 kilometers.
so when we write scale means you are drawing the diagram but in reduced size, which means not 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, something else. Have you seen your passport size photograph?
Yes.
Is it same as you? Identical?
I mean, like it is identical, but the size is small.
It is called similar figure, not the congruent figure. Correct?
Yes, sir.
That means if this is triangle, this quintupla triangle will be similar but not congruent. Huh?
Yes.
So now see what is graphical method. In analytical method, a vector is represented by English alphabet, either capital or small. Its magnitude is represented by writing that vector in modulus sign or only alphabet. Now graphical method. In this method, a vector is represented by directed line segment. Directed line segment means segment with direction. उसको रे ही बोलते हैं. Segment with direction is called directed line segment. In our geometry, it was called as ray. So in this method, a vector is represented by directed line segment, where length of segment represents magnitude. and arrow represents direction. Length of segment represents magnitude and arrow represents direction. A car runs with speed of 50 kilometers per hour towards north east in vector. It is represented as shown. Just write this much, then I will represent this vector, how 50 and that direction can be represented by directed line segment. So vector can be represented by two methods. Analytical method. In this method, vector is represented by English alphabet with arrow at its top, either capital or small. In graphical, by directed line segment.
बनाना बोनांजा बैकपैक भाई ये अच्छा अभी म्यूजिक बंद करेंगे अपना
तो कितने का निकल रहा है
सो चोली इतनी है रान
चला दी कौन आ गया भाई कैसा क्या हो गया
साला मावी लकी निकला बे लव यू मावी
हेट यू
अबे साले
कौन सेट नहीं चाहिए
अथर्वा अथर्वा
सर
कौन है आपके घर में अभी?
दादी
घर में कौन है आपके?
सर दादी
और पेरेंट्स नहीं है?
हाँ है
हाँ
है
जरा एक जन को बुलाओ. आप इधर का टीवी देख के इधर पढ़ाई कर रहे हो?
नो सर
आपको क्या मजाक लग रहा है? यू कॉल सम ऑफ योर पेरेंट्स.
पप्पा सर बोला होता है
नाही ते टीव्ही बघून पण मी इथे बसलो त्यांना वाटतं मी टीव्ही बघतो मी बघतच नाही. हॅलो
हेलो
हेलो सर
कौन बोलता है सर?
हाँ पेरेंट्स बोल रहा हूँ सर फादर बोल रहा हूँ.
आप अथर्व के डैडी बोल रहे हैं?
हाँ यस यस सर.
सर वो अभी इसका माइक चालू था और टीवी का आवाज आ रहा है, तो पढ़ाई कर रहा है क्या टीवी देख रहा है?
टीवी नहीं सर चालू है.
क्लियर कट मुझे आवाज आ रहा था टीवी का.
नाही बिलकुल
नहीं नहीं सर नहीं. अभी मेरा भी वर्क फ्रॉम होम चालू है ना, तो मैं भी साउंड किया है.
आपको थोड़ा आई वॉच रखना पड़ेगा सर, ये पढ़ाई करता है कि नहीं. मेडिकल इतना इजी नहीं है.
हाँ यस सर यस सर.
मुझे फुल गारंटी है, मेरे कान को धोखा हो ही नहीं सकता. टीवी चालू था और आवाज आ रहा है.
नहीं बात शायद आवाज आ रहेगा हम लोग का बात का.
नहीं नहीं सर, देखिए बात का आवाज का डायलॉग और टीवी का डायलॉग में वी कैन डिस्टिंग्विश ना.
नहीं टीवी तो नहीं चालू था वैसा.
तो ठीक है चलो, लेकिन मैं जहाँ तक मेरा ओपिनियन है कुछ तो चालू था. या आपने इसने कुछ ये मोबाइल पे है क्या, लैपटॉप पे है क्या, कंप्यूटर पे है?
मोबाईल नाही आहे इथे.
नहीं मोबाइल
अथर्वा किससे कनेक्ट किया है? मोबाइल से कनेक्ट किया है क्या लैपटॉप से?
लैपटॉप से कनेक्ट.
देखो आप आई वॉच रखिए, क्योंकि मार्क दो साइडेड है. टीचर पढ़ा के मार्क नहीं आएगा, बच्चा का ध्यान नहीं देगा.
यस सर बराबर.
लास्ट मोमेंट पे ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि आप
ऑनलाइन चालू कुछ रहेगा तो आई डोंट थिंक है सर, क्योंकि वो आतमध्ये काय चालू केलं
नाही बघा आजीला पण विचारा. तू काय बघत
होतास का?
नाही मी लेक्चर अटेंड लिहितोय.
See, your writing that is okay. When sound I can hear, why I will say only you.
Okay, sir. Okay,
See,
okay,
what
okay.
I
sir.
heard
Sorry, sir.
has been heard by other students also, no? So see
Ah,
to it that in case some disturbance comes, you have to avoid that.
okay.
Because when we are teaching to medical students, we are very much cautious because for you each mark is important.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
इंजीनियरिंग
Correct.
को इतना प्रॉब्लम नहीं होता है, सीट्स बहुत है ना.
हाँ 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 हाँ.
ठीक है, नो प्रॉब्लम.
Okay,
Okay,
okay, okay. Thank you, thank.
thank you, sir. Again, say in graphic, in this method, a vector is represented by directed line segment where length of segment represents magnitude, arrow represents direction. A car runs with speed of 50 km per hour towards northeast. In vector, it is represented as shown that I am showing it. First, complete this much.
Done.
Done? Everybody has done? Finish?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir.
You all will wait after the lecture. I have to speak to you all one by one. Now, how to represent it by vector form. One chapter we have completed. Second, we have started. So I will keep one parents meeting in this week, but before that, I will speak to you all. We have drawn two axes. X axis, X O X dash, Y axis, Y O Y dash. 50 kilometer per hour. Can you draw that line of 50 kilometer in your book?
No, sir.
No.
No. So can you take neighbor's book and draw 50 kilometer long line?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So we'll
No,
think some smart work. I will write 1 centimeter. Take as 10 kilometer per hour. So 50 you will take how much?
5 centimeters.
Very good, 5 centimeter. This direction is called as north, no?
Yes.
And this is called east. This is called west. This is called south in geography. I think you know this.
Yes.
So northeast means where? Beach wala na aisa?
Yes.
I can draw one ray 5 centimeter long. This represents a vector 50 kilometer in northeast. Okay, not followed?
Understood, sir.
Follow. Just
When I write OA bar represents a vector of 50 kilometer per hour in northeast direction. Copy.
so south should be down, right, near Y1.
Yes, sir.
Right to Volta is south. And this is. That's why it is called news. News we can hear from north, south, east, west.
Sir.
Yes, yes.
In case if a degree is given and we have to find the direction, so how will we do it?
क्या बोल रहा है?
In this graphical method of vectors, sometimes questions which might have degrees and some length also. So we have to actually use that on the graph, or we can do it this normal way also.
No, no. Then we have to use that degree. If it northeast means center, 45 degree. But if they say 30 degree, 40 degree, then we have to use that measure. Okay. Completed.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now, since till this it was very basic, only chance of coming in the exam is distinguish between scalars and vectors. Now, define the following. Define the following. First one, equal vectors. What is meaning of vector? Having only magnitude or only direction or both?
I have not understood.
Vector means having what? Only magnitude or
No,
only
yeah.
direction or both?
Magnitude and direction.
Huh?
Direction and magnitude.
Magnitude as well as direction, both it should have. So when I say equal vector means both should be equal, na? Magnitude as well as direction.
Yes, sir.
If this is one vector AB of magnitude 3 centimeter, then this another vector PQ in same direction having same magnitude, can I say it is equal vector?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So vector AB is equals to vector PQ because their magnitude and direction both are same. If somebody writes this way, then only is telling magnitude is same. Nothing is told about direction. So I cannot say AB vector will be equal to PQ vector. I can't say by only looking at this. Are you getting me what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
If somebody says these two are equal, are the vectors equal? May or may not be. I can't guarantee. But if I write this way, this, then I'm guaranteed vectors are equal because their magnitude is same, direction is also same. Not followed?
Yes, sir.
Followed.
Followed.
Can
Followed.
you tell me what is angle between these two vectors? Angle between these two? Yes,
0 degree.
0 degree. So are they looking parallel also to each other?
Yes, parallel.
So equal vectors are always parallel to each other. Angle between them is 0. This information they will not give, you should understand. So when two vectors are equal, I got 4 things. Magnitude same, direction same, they are parallel to each other, angle between them is 0 degree. ये सब आपके दिमाग में रहना चाहिए. Clear? What are equal vectors now?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Same magnitude, same direction, they are parallel, angle between them is how much?
0 degree.
0 degree. This I should remember, but definition I will write two vectors having equal magnitude and same direction are called as equal vector. I'm explaining once again. Two vectors having same magnitude and direction are called as equal vectors. Example, this diagram I have drawn below. You have to draw the diagram and write this. Two vectors having same magnitude and direction are called as equal vectors. Any doubt? Hello?
No,
Any
sir, no doubt.
what extra thing I told you should remember?
What always parallel
they are
and the
parallel.
angle between them is 0 degree.
Yes, perfect, perfect. Write down equal vector.
Done, sir.
Diagram over. Diagram also. A, B, P, Q, same direction.
Yes.
Okay, everybody is done. Prisha,
Yes.
not yet done. Hello, you want me to show it again diagram?
Done, sir.
Okay. Opposite. Yes. Now name itself tells they are in opposite direction. Opposite vectors. Two vectors having same magnitude. Very important. Same magnitude. But opposite direction. Same magnitude but opposite direction are called as opposite vectors or negative vectors. Two vectors having same magnitude but opposite direction are called as opposite vectors or negative vectors. Example. This is A, B. This one is P, Q. If this is 5, this is also 5. Are they of same magnitude?
They are opposite.
No, but magnitude same
Yes.
and direction opposite.
Yes.
Yes.
It is called opposite vector or which vector?
Negative vector.
Negative vector. Just tell me this is one vector v bar. So where will be its negative vector? This way ना?
Opposite direction.
Opposite direction. अगर कोई ऐसा बना दिया ऐसा with same magnitude 3 3 तो इसको भी opposite ही बोलते हैं. ये 3 ऊपर ये 3 नीचे, so they are called opposite vector or negative vector. Clear?
Sir, so means like opposite vector के लिए हमेशा direction responsible है, like opposite directions only should be there.
Yes, only it should be opposite. That's why name is opposite. Huh?
Yeah, I mean like the magnitude, there's nothing the change in the
Magnitude is
magnitude.
always same. Direction is only different. They are called as opposite vector or negative vector. If I say B, the negative vector is minus B, then direction is opposite, but magnitude wise they are same. Modulus of these are same. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Can you tell me? I can also call there as anti-parallel vector.
Yeah, they're moving anti-clockwise
Yes,
and
sir.
clockwise.
Anti-clockwise direction नहीं है ये. उल्टा direction को anti-parallel बोलते हैं. Anti-clockwise curve रहेगा. This is not anti-clockwise. Don't mistake. This is called anti-parallel. I said. What are they called?
Anti-parallel.
What is the angle between them? 180 degree. है ना?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir. It's
So by chance they say what is angle between negative vector? It should know it is what? 180 degree. They are also called as what? Anti-parallel. They are also called as what? Opposite. All are same. Opposite vector, negative vector, anti-parallel, angle 180, all are same. Followed or any doubt is there in your mind?
not answer.
Sorry.
Thanks, sir.
I won't ask others. Others have also done?
Done, sir.
From girls, everybody has done this?
Yes, sir.
Very important. It will definitely come in the unit way. Unit means what? 1 or 1, correct. What is 3 upon 3?
1,
1,
4 upon 4?
1,
1,
5
One.
upon 5?
1.
1.
1.
Let me see how smart you are. Same thing you divide, you are telling answer 1, 1, 1. But I want unit vector. So if a vector is divided by its magnitude, then unit will remain 1 and vector will also remain now.
Yes, sir.
That means when any vector you divide by its magnitude, you always get unit vector. That means vector means magnitude and direction both. I divide by magnitude, so magnitude will become 1 and direction gets associated with that or not. Not followed?
Understood.
ये किसका डायरेक्शन है 1 के पास? एक का है क्या बाजू वाले का है?
एक है.
एक का है. So a vector having unit magnitude in the direction of given vector is called as unit vector. A vector having unit magnitude in the direction of given vector is called as unit vector. Again, I am repeating. A vector having unit magnitude in the direction of given vector is called as unit vector. Again I am repeating. A vector having unit vector. But किसका direction में? Given vector. In the direction of given vector is called as unit. It is represented by this symbol here, cap, not full arrow. It is called cap. So let A cap be unit vector of capital A bar. Then this A cap is A bar upon A, because A is divided by its magnitude. Anybody who has not followed formula?
Understood.
Copy fixed definition to be asked in exam and numerical also on it.
Sir, this we have written a cap always be the small one, or can it be the big
Always.
capital?
Unit vector is always by small alphabet with cap.
Okay, sir.
Always unit vector is represented by small letter with cap. Because it is the vector, so don't write number, it can't be 1 bar. Even though magnitude is 1. By alphabet only you can represent.
Sir, any alphabet will come, or it will be
Any
only
alphabet. Any alphabet. But if it is x axis, y axis, z axis, unit vector, then specific alphabet will come. I'm writing. Have you completed full?
Yes, sir.
What I have written?
I J.
K. All small letter. ये क्या ऊपर किया? क्या अपना? Means they are representing what? Vector or unit vector?
Unit vector.
Unit vector. So I cap, J cap, K cap are unit vectors along x, comma y, comma z axis respectively. Completely. So today this much theory we are doing. I cap, J cap, K cap are unit vectors along x, y, z axis respectively. So whenever they say I cap, this is fixed. X axis का unit vector. मतलब magnitude 1, direction is x axis. You will write and practice 2 times. First I will check the homework next lecture before I move ahead.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Huh?
Yes. So, sir, next lecture will be half an hour earlier.
Pardon?
So, the next lecture will be an hour earlier, or it will be the same
So
time?
see, I'm just not able to still find momentum in your body. Moment I feel ना कि ये आपने जब गियर पकड़ लिया है उस दिन से चालू